Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another house tour video. So this house is located in Altadore community of Calgary. It's a detached house, offers you 4 bed and 3.5 washroom. In total, it gives you 2,700 square feet of living space. And being an infield house, its asking price is about $1.17 million. It's a brand new house and about 7 minutes from downtown Calgary. Let's go inside and see what it got. So here we have the front entrance of the house. So the moment you get inside, on the left you got a closet, and right opposite to the closet we have a dining space with a nice huge windows, and right next to it we have a kitchen. It got a long island with quads and inbuilt fridge. It really looks spacious inside. This kitchen looked quite bright and very spacious, very well designed as well, with lots of cabinet space. And here we have range as well as chimney. This is a sink, dishwasher next to it, and all the closet spaces you have. Here we have a living area where you have a chimney, and at the rear we have a double garage. And here we have the back entry as well as closet. No wonder the house looks spacious and bright. And this way is to the basement. Let's go downstairs and see what it has. And right here we have an open space, and here we have a bar area. And here we have a bedroom with a walk-in closet inside. And right next to the bedroom we have a full wash. Okay, so that's pretty much in the basement. Let's go upstairs and see what do we have. And right here we have a half wash on the main floor, and this way is to go upstairs. So here we are on the first floor. So this house got quite a few number of windows, which is very impressive and very bright. So here this way we have master bedroom. And here we have a walk-in closet. And right opposite we have insert. And on the other side of the house we have second and third bedroom. And both the rooms comes with walk-in closet. And right outside the room on the left we have laundry area, which also got sink, Not bad. And here we have third full wash. This house comes with hardwood flooring as well as 10 feet on the main floor and 9 feet for the basement and upper floor. So that's pretty much about the house. Let me know in the comments if you like it, and I will see you soon with another house tour video. Thank you.